Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a Simply Gilded subscription box unboxing. My cat is helping me right now. So this just came in the mail, so usually I'm bad at holding things to open on camera, but thought now would be a good time. So the subscription box comes once a month, and it comes in this box from Simply Gilded. And I already cut it so I could open it up. And it comes with this pretty purple shred, which I'm sure my cat will come eat. Trash can right here, so I'll just throw it away. So like I said, it's a monthly box. It always comes with it. Well, it has a different theme every month. So this one is Once Upon a Time, and there's always a decorative box that has the washi in it. So this is what's in it. Whoa, that wasn't good. Sorry, everybody. This is real life. The box. So it comes with a pen every month. It's a gel pen, and it's, can you see? Hello? Yeah. And it's always a different design to match the theme. So can you see the flower there? And it's ombre. I love ombre. All right, let's do the washi. I think this is an extra one. Oh, do you see the horse and the carriage? That's cute. So I always save the boxes. Both the box that it comes in and the washi boxes. I usually cut out the design and put it in my journal, which you've seen. And there's the Simply Gilded bunny. All right, put that there. So, yeah. Oh, is this the same one? I think there was a problem with ghosting or colors, so she said that you'd get a free one. So that looks like the same one. Let me see. Oh goodness, I'm so bad at this. That's cute. This is like a castle or a cottage. I can't even see. So that's 3. This is 2 separate washi. Yeah. So that's 5. You usually get like 6 or 7. And the washi comes wrapped in plastic with a Simply Gilded on it. It's supposed to go like this. Maybe not. This. That's pretty. This one. Yikes. This is why I don't do unboxings. I'm so bad at this. And there goes the cat. Yeah. And then this is the sticker kit for your planner. I don't always use sticker kits in my planners, but lately really obsessed with the Simply Gilded sticker kits. So this is a deco page. These are icons, which I don't usually use. Full boxes. The days of the week. Some more boxes at the bottom. She's just, it's worth paying extra to get the Simply Gilded quality because it's always amazing. And then what's on this one? Okay, so that is the whole kit. So every month I get sticker kit, a pen, and like I said, 6 to 7 washi. And she reveals the theme ahead of time, so that's good. And I really love it. So anyway, if you're interested in checking out Simply Gilded, just look at simplygilded.com. Once you start using her washi, you can't go back because it's really stunning. But anyway, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.